Today I have my Coach retail order that came in. So the first bag that I'm going to show in the women's section, I already did the men's messenger bag. The first bag is the women's Charlie, I believe is the name of this bag. And I purchased this one. Charlie has a lot of different bags, but oh no, this is the Cooper. All right, we're doing the Cooper then. And this bag comes in different colors with rivets and not rivets. This is really cool. I like that little detail right there. They're like little tea roses. That's the numbers. The side of the bag. Again, you have this detail here on the front. And hang tags. So there's the strap that you can adjust to make it a crossbody bag. This is actually really cool. I didn't think I was going to like this bag, and the bottom has feet, but I really like it. It's really cool. And then, there's this that you can kind of stick through here. Kind of close it up. That's what it looks like inside. It has compartments. Split interior. Oh, that is a pocket. I was thinking that was just maybe the Coach Creed, but that's a pocket. That's cool. I like that. And the rest is just open right in here. Then we have the zipper. It smells really good. It smells like leather. And that's the tag there with that. And this is just a canvas pocket on the middle. That's cool. I would put probably a little makeup bag with like my lip products, or products that would get into the bag and damage it, because I think that would be easier to clean off than the suede, because the rest of it, these other two pockets are suede. And then that's the other pocket. There's no side pouch or anything. And this one is just all open. So that's the Cooper. I also ordered the black Cooper without the rivets. So far I really like this bag, and I like the other Coach bag that I already reviewed. This is the glove tan leather, so I think it's gonna probably scratch easy. I know my other glove tan leather bags have scratched easily, but my small leather goods have not scratched. They kind of get dents in them though, but they haven't scratched. So yeah, I really like this. This is cool. I was trying to see if I could find my phone up here, but I don't see it. But I definitely wanted to check to see what kinds of things fit in here, because like I had mentioned before, I bought this for a work bag, and that's perfect. That's going to be the bulk of my items that I carry, is the iPad, a couple of small little notepads, and then on this side I could put a small makeup bag, and then in the middle I could put the products and some snacks and some baggies. So I think this is gonna work out great. I'll show you what the bag looks like on. So this is what it would be like with as a crossbody. So it kind of sits up a little high, which is nice because then you can just very easily dig right into it, right at your side. Or you could just carry it like this. So overall, I think it's a good size. I was thinking it was going to be like huge. It's so hard to tell, and then when they have the measurements, it's difficult to tell because this bag looks smaller than the measurements, but you know, it's still quite large. So I think it's a good, what I would call a medium-sized tote, but I really like it. It's really cool. I'll get it up close so you can see it a little bit better. The bottom. And then again, that's just what it looks like on the inside. This is really cool. I'm really happy with this purchase. I didn't think I was going to keep this bag. I thought for sure I was going to keep the black one, but I didn't think that I would like this one as much as I do, but I'm definitely going to keep this bag. I really like it. And it has all these cute little details on it that I really like. It kind of really makes the bag, I think. Well, thanks for joining me today. Up next will be my other Cooper in the black without the rivets. Thanks for watching.